Hello brothers, sisters, here Kodo. So I'm in Tamale in the northern part of Ghana, and today I'm bringing on the healthiest cooking oil we have in Africa or the world. This cooking oil is 100 times better and healthy than most of the cooking oil that you've been eating, like vegetable oil, sunflower oil, etc. It is so rich to the extent that it can lower your LDL, which is bad cholesterol in your system. And I believe after watching this full video, you can make your own healthy oil at home. And lest I forget, big shout outs to all Northerners because they have the organic foods in their region. And before we start everything, please make sure you share the video. It's very important. You subscribe, you like, comment, and man, it is what it is. Let's dive into it. The video I'm about to do today is extracting oil, peanut oil or granite oil from the peanut paste, and it's a very unique way of doing this. Man, let me take you to the process. Let's do this. So to make peanut butter oil, you need two things. You need hot water and the peanut butter itself. So this is one of the reasons why oil made in Africa or Ghana from the villages are healthy and organic, because they don't go through the high temperature process before it comes out. It's only boiling process and we have organic oil. So start eating made in Africa oil and see the difference for yourself. So today's program is sponsored by TapTapSend. So TapTapSend is a money transfer app that allows Africans living in Europe and Canada or America to send money back home to loved ones in Africa. So not only Ghanaians can benefit from this app. If you're a Nigerian, if you're from Cote d'Ivoire, Senegal, Kenya, Uganda, Togo, Benin, this app is here for you. It's free and reliable. You don't pay anything, no commission, and the exchange rate is also high. As soon as you send a space of 20 seconds to 1 minute, your money should be in Africa. So use the promo code Sindaco, okay, and get yourself £5 or €5 or $10 in your first transaction when you send money back home to your loved ones. So just go to Apple Store or Google Play and download TapTapSend. It's very simple and easy. You only tap and you send, and your family back home will be happy receiving the money. Hot water, okay. Yeah. So we are adding hot water to our peanut paste or granite paste to make the peanut oil or granite oil. So hot water. So you mix like that. Make sure you knead them nicely with your hand. So it will not go on top of fire? Yeah. It will go on top of fire? No. Ah, so it will not go on top of fire. You only need hot water to get the oil. So you can see that it's changing. You have some deep brownish color inside. By kneading. Wow. So water is being added little by little. As you can see, it has changed. The consistency has changed. It's no more the paste, that kind of paste anymore. It's has changed. The texture and everything has changed. So as you can see, there's been a shiny kind of oil, like or shiny kind of liquid, and that's the oil coming out. So you can see the oil at the back of your hand. So you use the outer part of your palm to mash it or to knead it. Okay, as you can see, she's pressing it, putting pressure on it. Okay, to squeeze out the oil. So what water is being added? Be very careful when adding the water. So after almost like 30 minutes of kneading, you can see that oil is coming. So only hot water was being added to it. After getting oil, you use a chop to do kulikuli.
Either kulikuli or the KKZ.
KKZ. Okay.
You fry it.
Okay.
And you dry it.
Okay.
And go and grind it.
Okay. The powder. So hot water. Add it again. Let's make sure I have extreme hot water. That will help extract the oil. As you can see, the oil is coming.
If I booze, I go forget my worries. If I booze, I go forget my sorrows. So I like.
So as you can see, man, the oil is dripping. It's been extracted. It only takes time. Like you need to have time to do this. It's not an easy thing.
Too much trouble, so my head, so much wahala in my house, waiting I go do, I go pay you tomorrow.
About to knead it again. and the hot water to rinse.
My wife they cry for money, oh.
Man, whilst kneading, you see the oil is coming back again. And after kneading and getting out the oil, the chaff or the remaining nuts or the paste will be used to make kuli, the biscuits. Yes, so basically this is how peanut butter oil is done. It looks easy and simple, but it really requires time. You need to have the knowledge and idea of how to do this before you can make it. If not, you end up messing up the whole thing. And after the oil has been extracted, the remaining will be used for kuli, very popular snack we have in Ghana and the northern part of Ghana. So delicious. And at a point, she grinded some onion and pepper together, and she mixed with some of this remaining and to fry it to have a different flavor to it. So delicious, man. You need to try. You need to visit the northern part of Ghana and try things for yourself. Aside the snack, they fry it and they grind it, okay? And that's what they use for the suya or chichinga. They use peanut powder and they mix other seasoning to it to make the chichinga powder or suya powder. Yeah, so that's for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can watch this and make your own oil at home. At least something small for the family, yeah? And if you enjoyed the video, please share. It's very important. Share, subscribe, like, comment, tell a friend, tell a brother. Let's promote African stuff to ourselves and to the world as well. Cooking with Sindaco. Make sure to subscribe to Facebook and the YouTube channel as well. Let's do this again for Shizm and Nazel or Kodo. I'm out.
The mess rules. Some person may disika koma madofo and I'm a bushing for our Ghana. May the fat tap sin.
This is here, this is tap at the best so far.
I don't see some yes, and this Kofia, not a tap.
Tap saying, will be around down the up now. Carrot master and for African countries to pay.
And the reason I changed over to then.
If you're there, you don't have the app on your phone, I encourage you to download it right now. It's very secured. TapTap is very secured.
What I like about TapTap is that transfer is immediate. Like you get to resolve secured when I've never had any
Tap send and no one abroad for you na ya jiatum. Tap send papa no.
Over there. And man no sit then cry. Tabia takum, wedi a member ye drone no, a me nya hoden, ani hoden ye, a member dro, a new thing a ban me be here bino, a member dro ma ban me be a wedding fear di watreko. Be a pedi do to atombia, enko chemical shops, pharmaceuticals, any herbal shops bia. I wa Ghana hanu be bia. Anase fraying, I was 0243 686861 and 0245 749206.
FD ajisa echodi nkacho ya tu.
Kaise tabia takum ye, bembe bia ye takum.